In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a broken or failing hood release handle in a 1995 GMC Suburban or any GMT-400 platform vehicle, including all CK 1500, 2500 trucks by Chevrolet and GMC. For this fix, I picked up a brand new hood release handle by Dorman. The model number is 03335. Here you can see the new handle, and it does seem to be built fairly well. The only difference I see is that the original has a picture of a pickup truck and this new one has a picture of a car. Other than that, it looks to be identical. So now let's get this old one out. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is to remove this screw right here in the door sill. Once you remove that screw, you should be able to pop off this panel here. And now we can get a good look at our broken release handle. And you can also see right there exactly where it broke right off of that screw. So all we need to do now is release the cable from this handle. You can see where the cable comes into the handle. Releasing this cable from the handle is fairly simple. You're gonna need a screwdriver. You're gonna push up on the cable so that it goes into the slot up top. There we go. And pull that piece straight out. The other thing you're gonna wanna do is grab a set of needle nose pliers and actually pinch the two little arms there, just like that. And the last thing we're gonna wanna do is grab our T40 Torx bit and take that bolt straight out. Yummy. Okay, so to install, all we're gonna do is push our cable through this back hole, and then we're gonna seat the cable in, there we go. And then we just need to route our cable correctly through here. If you get that thing in there like that, just make sure you push it in all the way. There we go. That's in there. That's now in there and that's not coming out. There's a little tab here on the back that needs to slide into this slot here. Slide that in there. And then the last thing you need to do is screw in your bolt. Don't forget to get this started by hand. All right, so this thing seems to be on and working just like brand new. It does not wiggle back and forth like it used to. Everything looks good. All we need to do now is put back on our panel and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, well, before long, you should have everything put back together and your hood release latch working perfectly. No more broken loose parts that wiggle around. You now have a nice firm hood release latch. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you figure out how to replace your hood release latch. If it did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also check the description below. You can also find me on Instagram at One Road Garage and also my website, oneroadgarage.com. I'm Jimmy with One Road. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.